Listen up. No, none of you guys know how to cook nowadays. I'll be showing you how to impress your date and her mama. So today we're going to be making a chicken rotini alla vodka pasta. You're going to need your rotini, of course. We got our chicken here. Traditionally, you would use something like pancetta, but you can use grilled chicken, shrimp, pancetta, whatever you like. This is just chicken marinating in some Cajun and oil. Got a little bit of vodka, some diced onions, garlic, tomato paste, and some chopped up parsley. I'd recommend grabbing a good quality extra virgin olive oil. Key when you have a dish like this with just few ingredients. You'll also be needing some Parmesan cheese and some heavy cream. All right. We're gonna move over here now. So we're gonna start with our rotini pasta. Go ahead and drop it in the boiling water there. Give that a couple minutes. So next, right away, we're gonna go ahead and drop down our chicken breasts. Give those a nice sear. Like I said, traditionally, you would use something like pancetta. You can use some chicken, shrimp. Since our chicken was already marinating in the oil, no need for extra oil in the pan. Shouldn't stick. So onto our other pan, I'm gonna go in with our olive oil right there. Get a good amount. And our diced onions. Now we're just gonna sweat these onions, let them darken up, get some color. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these chicken breasts here after a good minute or two. Like that. Look at that. I'm gonna go in with my garlic, some finely minced garlic here. Once those onions and garlic have a nice color to them, go in with our vodka. Gonna flambe. Oh damn. Go ahead and go in with our tomato paste here. That gets some color to it as well. Make sure our chicken's not burning over here. Look at that. Now, once you get some color on that, you're going with your heavy cream here. Use about half a cup. We'll let it reduce for a few minutes on low heat, medium low heat. Also gonna hit it with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of chili flake in that. Now we're gonna check on our pasta over here. Want it to be a little al dente, cooked about 90% of the way through. Gonna finish cooking up in here. Dump that in, a little bit of that pasta water. Got a good mix. Go ahead and go in with our shredded Parmesan there. Chopped parsley as well. Now's a good time. Taste your food as you go. Fucking amazing. Cut up our chicken. Look at that. Juicy, beautifully cooked chicken right there. Man, look at that. Slide that in just like that. Garnish it with some Parmesan, a little bit of parsley. So we're making this in honor of National Vodka Day coming up here soon. We'll be serving this here paired along with some cocktails. Be sure to try this with the little cocktail on the side. Oh man, this looks amazing. This will impress any date. It's a quick and easy dinner recipe. It tastes good. I don't know. I'm about to eat this whole plate, man. It's so good.